Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening your Gmail account and switching to Google Contacts. This is where restores happen. Once there, confirm you're signed into the exact account that lost contacts and that account security is intact, because restores affect that account only. Next, open the Settings menu inside Contacts and look for Undo Changes or Restore Contacts. This first actionable step prepares the backup window and gives you immediate options to roll. Once done opening Undo Changes, you choose the time window to restore. Google gives presets and a custom option up to 30 days. Pick the closest point before the loss, because the system will revert merges, deletions, and edits to that snapshot. Make sure to pause sync on phones or desktop clients first, because they can push the current, incorrect state back to Google before the restore finishes. After selection, confirm and let Google process. This may take a few minutes. You finish by reviewing contacts to confirm names, emails, and labels returned correctly. Search for high-priority contacts and inspect groups. If something's still missing, try an earlier restore point or check other Google accounts, device storage, or any exported CSV backup you made. If restores fail or sync keeps overriding, clear the app cache, sign out, and back in. Then re-enable sync after exporting your current contacts to CSV as a precaution. This gives you a fallback if you need to retry restores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.